how to get into digital marketing without any experience? I've got great news. You don't need a degree or years of expertise to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to break into digital marketing, even if you're starting from scratch. First things first, let's talk about why digital marketing is such an amazing career to jump into. It's one of the most in-demand skills right now, and it offers flexibility, creativity, and the opportunity to work from anywhere. Whether you want to freelance, work for a company, or start your own business, the skills you learn in digital marketing can open doors for you. The best part? You can start building those skills today without any formal background. So, how do you actually get started with no experience? Step 1 is to learn the basics. And the good news is, you don't have to spend a dime. There are plenty of free resources online to help you get familiar with digital marketing. Here are some of the key areas to focus on. SEO, search engine optimization. Learn how to make websites rank higher on Google. Social media marketing. Understand how to promote products and services through social platforms. Email marketing. Find out how businesses engage with customers via email campaigns. Content marketing. Discover how creating valuable content can drive traffic to your site. I recommend starting with free courses on platforms like Google's Digital Garage and even YouTube. Or if you want a step-by-step blueprint, look into the Legacy Builders program. It's a great way to start earning while you learn the basics and includes a thriving and active community with over 40,000 members with multiple live weekly trainings. So if you're like me and you want to be part of a growing community, I highly recommend that route. Step 2, get hands-on experience, even if it's unpaid. You can start by offering your services to a local business or nonprofit to practice your skills in real-life scenarios. This will give you something to put on your resume and help you build a portfolio. Not only does this give you practical experience, but it also helps you network. You never know what doors might open after helping someone with their digital marketing. Next, step 3 is all about building your online presence. One of the best ways to prove you understand digital marketing is by practicing it for yourself. Create a blog, start posting on social media, or even build a personal website. This is your chance to showcase what you're learning in real time. Or you could shortcut this by following a proven sales process with a done-for-you website, sales funnel, and email campaigns. This route worked for me because it eliminated the overwhelming feeling of having to create everything from scratch. I get to learn the skills without the tech headaches, and it's been amazing for me so far. You can also use platforms like LinkedIn to share your insights, write articles, and connect with others in the industry. It's all about positioning yourself as someone who is active and engaged in digital marketing, even as a beginner. Finally, digital marketing is always evolving, so you've got to stay on top of trends. After you get the basics down, dive into specific areas you want to specialize in, creating your own courses or digital products, or even affiliate marketing. Subscribe to podcasts, join digital marketing groups, and read industry news so you can keep growing. Remember, even the experts were beginners at one point. The moral of this video is just start from where you are and work to achieve being 1% better than you were yesterday, and you cannot fail. It will work for you as long as you are coachable, consistent, and have a great mindset. Ready to dive into digital marketing? Hit that thumbs up if this video gave you the motivation to start. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you build your digital marketing skills from the ground up. In the next video, we'll cover the top 5 free tools you need to get started today. See you there.